Huion have just released their largest Bluetooth pen tablet to date, the Inspiroy Giano, with a 13.6 by 8.5 inch drawing area, and we've got our artistic hands on one to have a test and a play with. Opening up the cool looking box is the tablet. Next we find the pen, the PW517, utilising Huion's Pentec 3 technology. Kind of stuck there, we go. It's nicely designed and feels good in the hand. Next up we have the Huion drawing glove and also the quick start guide. Let's get those out of the way. Next is the USB-C cable. And the pen holder, including 10 spare nibs, 5 standard and 5 felt. This is a really big drawing tablet and works well with large monitors. On the left are the 6 shortcut keys. Flip it over and you've got the aluminium back, 4 rubber feet to stop it moving on your desk. Here's some technical details about the tablet. So what makes this tablet stand out from others on the market? It has a rather spiffy smart LCD screen on the top left of the device, just above the 6 shortcut keys running down the left side. The screen, although quite small, displays battery life, Bluetooth connection, key pen activation. Sitting in the middle of the screen are the Huion icon, which indicates it's connected to a PC, a phone icon indicating the tablet is connected to a phone, obviously, and a moon icon when it enters sleep mode. Rather amusingly, after 2 hours of continued use, a flashing exercise icon displays, prompting you to put down that pen and go and get some exercise, or maybe some biscuits or a cake, depending on your preference. The pen is nice and light and feels good to hold, and it's well balanced. With a report rate of over 300 pps and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, drawing with this pen felt natural and very comfortable. Pressing harder produced thicker lines and vice versa. The lines also tapered off nicely. When you've had enough of drawing, you can simply pop it into the top of the pen holder, or the donut as it's sometimes called. Here's some more technical details about the pen. The driver software is quite nicely laid out. You can change the pen buttons, which are by default eraser and right click, pen pressure sensitivity, check for software updates, change the work area settings, i.e. if you're left-handed you can rotate it 0, 90, 180 and 270 degrees, set the sleep time, i.e. the off function, change the brightness of the LCD and even change the colour of the interface from light to dark. There's a lot more options to play with and test out, but it's all nicely laid out and simple to navigate. If you make a mess or really mess up the settings, the Restore Defaults button will be your new best friend. When using the tablet via a wired connection, you're good to draw for as long as you like. If you connect via Bluetooth, Huion claim you should get 18 hours of use. If you've been working that long continuously, you really do need to get up and take a walk. pen provided with this device is the now familiar PW517 with Huion's upgraded PenTech 3 technology. This new tech gives the nib a shorter retraction distance than previous models. I actually prefer using the felt nibs when drawing with this, as it gives a smoother feel. Getting up and running worked flawlessly. A quick trip to Huion's website to download the newest drivers later, I initially connected the laptop and pen tablet via USB-C for some test scribbling. Once everything worked okay, I disconnected the cable and connected via Bluetooth with no problems. The device was instantly recognised by my laptop and more scribbling ensued without any quibbles. The 6 shortcut keys running down the left by default from top to bottom are B for brush, increase brush size, decrease brush size, zoom in, zoom out and undo. Personally, I don't tend to use these keys much, but I should imagine the default settings are the best, but should you want to change or edit them, you can in the driver software to whatever combination you wish. If you connect via Bluetooth, Huion claim you should get 18 hours of use. To fully charge the tablet, it should take around 4.5 hours. To help keep the batteries charged, the device hibernates or enters sleep mode after around 15 minutes. This too is adjustable in the driver software. The overall drawing experience with this tablet was great. Huion have knocked it out of the park again, and this comes thoroughly recommended. Well, that's it for this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your friends and keep coming back. See you next time.